In this video, you are going to learn 6 email marketing tips for 2022. If you are doing email marketing for a long time or you are just a beginner into email marketing, you might be facing a lot of issues like your email going to spam, your email going to promotions. You are getting a lot of issues in email marketing. Okay, so I can understand because I have been through the same phase. Okay, so it's a lot of frustration because the main reason why you do email marketing, because the email has to reach your customer inbox. If it is not reaching your customer inbox, then what's the point of doing email marketing? Okay, so these are the 6 tips which I'm going to share with you. Okay, watch this video till the end to get this exclusive information which I'm going to share with you. Okay, so I am Kadam Saicharan. Okay, welcome to my channel. If you just came new to this channel, just go and subscribe for the latest updates. I'm going to share some valuable content in this channel. So if you just came new to this channel, just go and subscribe and don't miss those updates. Okay, so 6 email marketing tips for 2022. Okay, the first tip, okay, always use reputed email marketing software. Okay, a lot of people are in a hurry, a lot of people are excited to use free email marketing softwares available in the market. Okay, they give you subscribers for free, they give you like some limit and everything. Okay, but the thing is, if you use the new softwares in the market, okay, that might not work for you. Okay, because they have the low reputation. IP reputation is low for them. Okay, because they just came new to the market, so a lot of your emails might go to promotion spam. Because I had this experience. Okay, previously I used a lot of free softwares in my beginning stage. Okay, I had these issues, I had this lot of frustrations, and I just learned from my experience. Okay, always use reputed email marketing softwares, even it's paid. Okay, I use Active Campaign. Okay, like every month we have to pay $15 per month. Okay, it is having a 14-day trial as well. Okay, and you can use other softwares like Aweber, GetResponse. Okay, those are also the reputed softwares. But in Active Campaign, you it is possible that you can do a lot of automations. Okay, so I love Active Campaign and I recommend people to use Active Campaign because because everything is good. Okay, there's a lot of automations possible, and campaign setup and everything is very simple. Okay, simple to understand. Okay, so use whatever you want, but use a reputed email marketing software which is existing in the market for years. This is very important, note this point. Okay, and the second important point is always use professional email address. Okay, like a lot of people who do email marketing, I observe this a lot. Okay, they just sign up to some email marketing software and they just try to send emails through their Gmail account. Okay, because in every email marketing software there is one option. Okay, you have to set up the sender email. Okay, you have to set up the sender email in that email marketing software in order to send emails to people. Okay, but what a lot of people do, they don't use professional email address and they just keep their Gmail address and try to send emails to people. What will happen? Okay, these email marketing softwares don't recommend Gmail. Okay, and there is a high probability that a lot of your emails will go to spam promotions. So it is not a good idea to use your Gmail account. Okay, always use professional email address. Okay, you can go to godaddy.com. Okay, like there's a site. I don't want to show you because it's a lot of people might be knowing about it. Okay, just go to Google, type godaddy.com. Okay, and you can buy any domain you want. Okay, like kadamsaicharan.com. It might be your name, it might be your business, and with that you have an option to buy professional email address. Okay, if you just Google it, you get all the details on how to purchase your professional domain. Okay, it just cost like less than $5. Okay, like less than $5, you can just buy your professional domain and professional email address as well. Okay, very important, note down these 2 tips on email marketing. Okay, and the third important tip is email warm up. Okay, because what a lot of people do, even I did this mistake in my initial days. Okay, so when you bought your professional email address, you connected it to email marketing software and you just try to send hundreds of emails in your first week only. Okay, because you have to understand one thing. Okay, email servers, okay, they need to slowly learn your experience. Okay, you don't have to rush and do email marketing directly, sending hundreds of emails every single day on your initial day. It doesn't work that way. Okay, you have to do it slowly. First thing is you need to warm up your email, warm up your domain. Okay, this is called email warm up. Okay, so there are a lot of tools available in the market, lot of paid tools, okay, a lot of free tools also available in the market. Okay, what will happen, okay, this tools will send emails to people and they get replies from the people. Okay, very simple. These emails will send emails to other people, okay, and other people will reply to that emails automatically. You don't have to exist over there. Okay, so it's very less cost. Okay, there is one software called warm up inbox. Okay, like I will just share this link in the description. Okay, you can just go and sign up. Okay, I think for one inbox it's just $5. Okay, very less cost, because if you want to do it manually, if you every day you have to send to your friends and your friends will reply to you for this warming up. Okay, so it's a hard thing. Okay, you can't do it every day, it's a lot of wastage of time. Okay, so you can opt for this software, email warm up software called warm up inbox. Okay, you can just go and sign up. I'm going to share this link in the description as well. Okay, so you can just go and sign up. Okay, so email warm up tool. Okay, the first thing is use reputed email marketing software. Second thing is use a professional domain, okay, a professional email. Okay, and the third important thing is warm up your email even before you sending emails. Okay, like if you're doing email marketing from the next week, start doing that email warm up today. At least warm up the email for 15 days, so that your email is ready to send emails. Your email already got the habit of engaging with Gmail servers. Okay, so all this I don't want to talk a lot about technical aspects, because for a lot of you it might not be a better idea to learn all these things. Okay, I don't want to confuse you with a lot of technical information, but just understand these simple things. Okay, and the next important thing is, like when you start actually writing emails, okay, a lot of people use spam words. Okay, there are some, I'll share this site with you. Okay, like there is one site. Okay, like gmkpress.com. Okay, I'll share this link in the description as well. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of words which you should not use in email marketing. Okay, like the word like free, 100% free, free access. You can see all the terms over here. Okay, so you can just go to this site. You can just read everything. Okay, because this site like they have given all the details regarding email open rates, spam words, what subjects you have to use and everything. Okay, you can see, okay, words that create a sense of urgency, urgent, now, do it now. Okay, these are the terms which Gmail doesn't like, or which email servers don't like it, because people are using it for a long time and people are using it for marketing purpose. People are using it for different scams and all those things. Okay, so better try not to use those terms. And if it's urgent, like if you want to use it, just use it often. Okay, don't use it every time. Okay, so you can just, I'm going to share this link in the description as well. You can just go and read the site. Okay, and the next important thing is spam checker. Okay, what is this spam checker? Okay, so even before you write any email, okay, you have to just go and check. Okay, like whether your email, whether your email having any spam words or not. Okay, because you can't just go and write email and send. Okay, because you don't know what are the spam words involved in those email, and what are the marketing terms involved in that email. Okay, so better you have to use some tool to find out what is the spam in that email. Okay, so there is one site. Okay, there's one site called I'll just show you. Okay, there is one site called, okay, this one. Okay, good. Okay, mailmeteor.com. Okay, mailmeteor.com. Okay, this is one site. Okay, so I'm going to share this link in the description as well. Okay, you can just copy your email here. Okay, like you can just copy your email here and just check. Okay, subscribe. Okay, I'll just subscribe to my channel. Do it now. Okay, so you can see, okay, it is showing you, okay, like urgency. Okay, do it now. It is creating some urgency. Okay, we should not use do it now. Instead use, okay, do it today, or do it like something. Use some synonyms of that words. Don't use that words exactly. Okay, before writing any email, just copy paste your email over here. Just check the spam words, the shady words and everything. Just remove it. Just exchange that with some other good words, good synonyms, so that there's a high probability that your email won't go to promotions or spam. Okay, this is one aspect, and I use it every single day. Okay, and the next is you need to check the deliverability. You need to actually check whether your email is good to go to the inbox or it will go to spam. Okay, there is one site called mailtester.com. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, mail/tester.com, and it's free. Okay, you don't have to pay any money to use this site. Okay, so when you open this site, okay, you will see this interface. Okay, what you have to do, you just copy this test email. Okay, and just go to your active whatever email marketing software you use. Okay, so I have just wrote this email. Okay, hi everyone, this is Kadam Sachir. In this video I'm going to share you top 6 tips on email marketing. If you newly came to this channel, subscribe it for latest updates. Okay, I just wrote this email for example purpose. Okay, I'll just click on next. Okay, in every email marketing software the process is same. Even if you're using GetResponse, Aweber, okay, you will have an option to send a test email. Okay, you can see over here, you can send a test email and check whether your email is going to inbox, promotions or spam, whether your email is delivering correctly or not. Okay, I'll just copy that, the link which the mail which I copied from here, I just pasted it over here. Okay, and then click on send test. Okay, just click on send test. Okay, and it is being sent. Okay, so now what we have to do, okay, now again come to this site. Okay, and just click on, then check your score. Okay, so just wait for 20 seconds. Okay, like you can see 9.3 by 10. Okay, if you get above 9, okay, then it's a thing perfect thing to send your email. Okay, so above 9 the score will be good. Okay, like you can see it's fully authenticated, the body of your message contains errors, you are in one black list. Okay, all those things. Okay, so just see the score. Okay, if your score is above 9, then it's good thing to send your email. Okay, so always check it before sending any email. And one more thing called, okay, there is you can see there is one more site called gmass.co. Okay, so there are a lot of email address are listed over here. Okay, like these are the old Gmail accounts. Okay, which is listed on this site. Okay, what you can do, you can even copy one to two emails on this site. Okay, okay, again go to your email marketing software. In place of send test email, just copy these two emails. Okay, whatever emails you want to send. Okay, just click on send test. Okay, and again go to this site. Okay, and you will see. Okay, you will see over here. Okay, okay, it is taking some time. Okay, okay, I just clicked on send test. Okay, so you will see that emails over here. Okay, you will see. Okay, like whether my email went to inbox or whether my email went to spam. Okay, it will be listed over here. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing now. Okay, but it will show here. Okay, it will show here. Okay, here is it going to primary inbox, or is it going to spam, or is it going to any other updates or something? It will show over here, so you can decide whether to send this email to people or you have to edit and send it again. Okay, so these are the 6 email marketing tips. Okay, so it's just an overview. I'm not going too deep. Okay, because I don't want to make this video long. Okay, of course I'll make another video on how this whole process works. Okay, but this is an overview, just understand. Again, I'm just going to wrap it up. Okay, first thing is use reputed email marketing software. Second thing, always use professional email address. Third thing is Don't be in a hurry to send emails when you bought a email professional email address or professional software. Just warm up your email for 1 week to 10 days, then start doing email marketing. Okay, and always understand that don't use spam words in email marketing. If you use spam words, like a lot of your emails will go to spam promotions, because there is no point in doing email marketing if your emails is going to spam or promotions. Okay, promotions, you can't, it is not in your hands, but you can you can use some methods to make it to go to inbox. Okay, these are some of the methods. Okay, and the next thing is spam checker. Okay, like I said you one site. Okay, spam checker. Okay, mailmeteor.com. Just paste your email over here and you can just do it. Okay, you can just check and send emails. Okay, and the last thing is check deliverability. Okay, mailtester.com. Okay, I showed you, just check it over here. Okay, and gmas.com. So always check your email deliverability even before you send email to the existing people in your list. Okay, so these are the top 6 email marketing tips for 2022. I hope this video is valuable to you. If you got any questions regarding email marketing, you can just go in the comment section and you can ask me. I'm going to answer each and every question. Okay, see you, take care.